Now to demonstrate project accounting, just I will make two projects. This one project, another one, this new, okay? And we have two petty cash account holder, one Salman for this project and Osama for Neo. So both petty cash accounts. So first I will make the project. I go to project. I can create project like this. Another one. So if you list all, it will show. You can see one project and another one, okay? So now we have to create two petty cash accounts. Mention the Salman and Osama. So I go to home, chart of accounts, accounting masters, ledgers. Just I make a name, I put in the bracket cash to identify, okay? So the group is cash in hand. And the other one, Osama. Again, I put the cash to identify it. Make it cash in hand. Now I will transfer from bank to these two accounts some amount. So what I will do, I will create voucher. I will make a journal and say I have some amount in the bank. Now there is nothing. Okay, just I will make it credit. Say 10,000 real. Okay. Now I am transferring to two account, Osama and 5,000 to Osama and 5,000 to Salman. So this bank account credit and debit to this individual cash account. Just I submit. Now I can record this expenses in the project. Just I go to project, list all. Then here I have this one, King Salman Energy Park. So he's in charge here, Salman. Okay. So he's paying any expenses for this project. So just I go here and I can upload expenses as Excel. So I can download a template. Just this is a template, okay? Just general expenses I am recording. So I can add the date. This is day, month, year format, okay? And okay, should I will delete this thing also. Just I keep VAT and total here because there is formula, okay? Other thing you can remove. Then bill reference number. If it's a tax invoice, just put the bill number. Put category and before tax you have to enter tax percentage 15. Okay, so it will be at 15% tax. If you have something which is without tax, just enter the date, and there may not be invoice number. So no need to mention all this thing. So this may be without tax. Just I added and I put VAT 0. Like this you can add, and it will show the summary here. What you have to add: date, invoice, if there is a tax invoice number, that company, if you have supplier, the category you can add, and before tax and tax procedure. The other thing it will auto calculate. Now you can save this. I save, then I go to here because already I opened this one. Or you can go again. Just I go home, projects. Here this one, okay. So here who is in charge here? This Salman, okay. So here what I will do, I will upload expense as Excel. Then I click choose file because already I downloaded. Submit. And this amount go from Salman's cash. So it's choose Salman cash, and I click on submit. So now if you go home, just check projects. You can see here 600 real already debit balance. This is payment, okay? 600 real. The VAT is not an expense, only show the expense only. VAT is going to that group. It is not in the expense. This is the actual expense. So if you look this voucher, you see it is formed like this. This is the expense, and this one total paid by Salman, and this is VAT. So he total paid 675. So if you click, just I will enter with the other also. Another project, I will go home, projects, list all, and this one also, okay. So I will same way I upload expense. Just I open the template and remove the data. No need to remove this column because I put formula, okay. Now here you put the date. Okay, just I added one expense and I saved. Then I upload this into his project. Now this payment is done from other person, Osama. So if you go home, if you look at projects, either you can click like this, you can click projects and it will show up like this, 600, 500, see. Or you can simply like this list all, it will show everything like Neo, like this, you can click. Now if there is a sale for this project, you can click sales. Click on sales. You can issue sales invoice. You can customer details you can enter here. Customer details you enter and you make the sales. Again, you go home, projects, list all, it will show up like this. See, so it is a credit balance. So this project, we entered expense and the sales. You can see the expense 10,000 and revenue 10,000, expense 600. So the net value showing here. This is the actual profit. So here it will show total profit. Okay, if you click inside, it will show you each project. Both way you can go. If you want to go like this, if you go home, you can go like this project. Then list all. Then it show like this. So here, if you click in Neo, we added only expense. We did not enter any sales. If you want to add a sale or if you want to add purchase, all you can do. You can make different kind of journal here. It will be affecting in this cost center only. So if you click um, local sales, go home, project. You can see the net value here. If you click, it will be expanded. See here. After the expenses, show the net profit. Or you can go like this. You go back and list all to show you like this. It's like a folder. So this minus means it's credit balance. Credit balance means the profit. So if you click inside, it will show expand like this. Okay. So the same information, this is a view only. The cost center is a different view. Okay. Project wise display of the things account. Okay. Now if you go home, reports, statement of accounts, because we put today date. So just search by today. So you can see all these things. The sales we have this two and other expenses, whatever we added. Like this, see this. You can track each of them. Like this payment, it is the date we mentioned, and this is the voucher number. So you can easily cross check. You have full information. Anything, if you take whole period statement like this, ledger balances, each of the entry you can track by invoice number, by date, by supplier, different method you can track. And this affect duty and tax also. Here, see this. This tax on sales affected, and cash also affected. See this. And the Salman petty cash also affected. See how much is his balance. We made a contra entry 5,000 transfer to him. He spent 675. This 600 is expense, 75 the VAT. Okay, so he paid 675 and the balance for 325 with him. And Osama cash, how much? 5,000 we transfer to him, and he spent 575, including VAT. So the balance with him is this amount. So the bank is gone 10,000 riyals. See, because bank don't have any balance, that's why it's showing minus. So you can track whole transaction in one page. For audit purpose, this you have more information. Each expense you can easily track. Expense by date, by that voucher number if you have, and supplier name. So corresponding document you must have. You must have this copies, original copy. So auditor ask you about any information, you can easily find out. You can go like this also. You can click on reports and here you are cost center. Like this also you can go. Okay, you can click it and expand. It show you everything. The home is the root cost center. Okay, so this is the net total project net balance. And from click that folder, then it will expand. Each of them show. So each project, if you click, you see the details. If you click again, it will show you month wise. Then click again, it will show you voucher. If you click again, it will open. Like if you want to print this invoice, just click it and PDF. So it's showing the cost center here. The project also showing up here.